everyone and welcome to FinStreet. In our segment Coin Talks, we'll talk about coins and cryptocurrencies that you might have heard of but you don't know about them and how they function. Today we'll talk about one such cryptocurrency, which is XRP or Ripple. A lot of people confuse Ripple and XRP. Well, the distinction is clear. Ripple is the company that runs XRP. It is similar to Ethereum and Ether. Ether is the company which runs Ether. Ripple's foundation was set in 2004. It started as different projects, but it took its real form in 2012. The main question is how Ripple works. Well, Ripple is an online international payment platform. Now, I'll explain how it works. Now, for example, I want to transfer $1,000 from India to a friend of mine who lives in Canada. Now, what we need is that I need a bank account in supposedly XYZ bank and he needs a bank account in the same bank. Now, what will happen is the transaction might take up to 4 to 5 days and the transaction cost might be up to 4 to 5%. Now, Ripple wanted to solve this problem. Now, what Ripple did was Ripple reduced the transaction cost effectively to $0.003 and increased the transaction fee effectively. So, what Ripple did was it reduced the transaction cost to $0.003 and increased the transaction speed effectively. So, Ripple's transaction speed is currently 15 transactions per second, whereas Bitcoin's transaction speed is only 3 to 5 transactions per second. One of the criticisms that Ripple has got is that it is a decentralized platform. But on the other hand, it has also shown tremendous growth in its price. According to CoinMarketCap, Ripple currently stands at a market capitalization of $12.9 billion as of 16th January 2021. Ripple hit a one-year low at 10 cents and an all-time one-year high at 70 cents. Apart from this, Ripple is a pre-mined currency which has 100 billion in its pre-mined reserves. Apart from this, XRP has 100 billion coins in its pre-mined reserves, out of which 45 billion coins are currently in circulating supply. That's all for today's video, and if you liked today's video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to FinStreet.